The Tropicana in Las Vegas is no more, but you can come to the Tropicana in Laughlin, Nevada. This in my house. Totally necessary, right? This is like the thinnest pillow I have ever seen in my life. Okay, y'all, we have ice cream in a vending machine. I consent. What am I consenting to? Oh, everything's sold out. Sold out. No food for you. Hi everybody. Welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Amy and I'm a Tangerine, and we are at the Tropicana in Laughlin, Nevada today. And I recently got to stay here for the night, and I had just an amazing time, and I love this casino resort, so I want to show it off to you. We're going to do a full tour. When I stayed here is when my sister was in town to visit, so I just put the camera away and enjoyed my time with her. I did film like what the room looks like, so I'm going to show that next, and then we are going to reconvene here, and I'm going to show you all around this great place. Room tour time. We are staying in the Promenade Tower, room 587. Here is the bathroom. Very, very basic. Kind of gives me a 70s feel, maybe 80s. Come with a very disgusting bottle opener, tissues. You do get some products here and little water bottles. Basic bathroom outlet. You know how the shower is. It's got a little closet here with the ironing board. And this is looking into the room here. It's a 2 queen, and the category is called West Classic Room. The beds look well made up. I like how they have these shutters instead of curtains. And our view is looking down at the pool area. The pool area looks really nice. I don't know if we'll get to that. I don't know if I'll be able to go swimming on this visit. And here is looking back on the room here. One thing to know, it does not come with a mini fridge. So if you're bringing beverages, adult or otherwise, no judgments here. There is no place to put your beverages. Stuff drives me nuts. It's like crooked. And I tried fixing it. It's unfixable. It's just going to be that way. It's nice. Have a good day. I don't know. It's little things in life that make me happy. There's small acts of kindness that you can do for people that kind of make a difference. Little coffee maker. My daughter says there's an extra trash bag. You know, if you need to take out the trash. If you bring your ex, you can put them in the trash. Wow. Wow. Bump. Thanks. I'll be here all day. I brought my own blanket, and I have to show you guys. This is like the thinnest pillow I have ever seen in my life. Yeah, that's not fun. Hopefully these other ones are fatter. We like fat. Fat pillows. When the shutters are closed, it gives it a nice like homey touch in here. So the stay was really good. Probably the only thing that I can say that was bad was the pillows were like really thin, but we slept like total babies. Might have to deal with a little bit about being out until 3 a.m. and we're old. Not my sister, I am. Don't tell her I said that, okay? I'm old, she's not. She's older, but we're gonna cut that out of the video. We slept really good. The shower pressure, you know, it was okay, but it was a really good stay. Does the room need some updating? Yes, but that's just a minor thing. I would totally stay here again. And the total cost for the room with, they do charge resort fees. I think it was like $140 on a Saturday night, which is pretty reasonable for the Laughlin Strip. Let's go run around and tour this place. Starting out outside of the entrance of the Tropicana in Laughlin, because why not? It's only 115 degrees. Let's just stand out in the hot sun. Right across from the Tropicana Laughlin is the now closed Colorado Bell, and then you can see the Edgewater and the Aquarius and Riverside further down there. I would say the only downfall to this resort is that it is not right on the Colorado River like the other resorts. This is going to be the only casino resort that is not on the water, and you do have to cross the street here to get to it. There are 2 towers to the Tropicana. We stayed in the Promenade Tower overlooking the pool area here. This one is the one that is closest to the casino area. Did drive here and park, so you can do that as well. It's just not as convenient as some of the others, but it does have an In-N-Out Burger next door to it. So that right there negates everything else I just said. In-N-Out Burger. You all have been telling me about the Regency Casino by Edgewater, and I am gonna go over there and check that out when it's not so hot, which is probably never, because it's always insane right now. But I promise I will get over there, because you all seem to rave about it. I'm literally melting. Like, where did Amy go? She's a puddle on the ground. Would that actually happen? Can you melt 150 pounds of fat? Oh, sorry. 135 pounds of fat and 15 pounds of muscle? If we were being accurate. There's the front desk there, and they do have like self check-in kiosks, but they weren't working when we were here, so you do have to wait in line for your keys. Okay, I have to show you my favorite part of this whole casino resort here, and unbelievably, it's the poolside cafe. It's pretty freaking amazing. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this goodness. And they have coffee and snacks. All kinds of goodness in here. This is really nice, and it's not like outside by the pool area, so you can come in here. Nice bar area here. And you can watch TV in this section, and then on the weekends they do have entertainment. Y'all, 3 in the morning, this place was packed and happening. Who knew the Tropicana Laughlin was such a happening place? It was, honestly, we had trouble walking. It was so packed. I am here on a Thursday night, so of course now there is room for activities, but on the weekends, packed. They have a really nice gift shop in here with my favorite, lots of lounge flies. Sure, Amy, let's go outside again, why not? So there's the Promenade Tower, and then the other tower is called the Casino Tower. Here is the pool area, and I'm not gonna like focus in any further because people are swimming. I didn't get to go swimming at all because we just went out and had a good time. We were not in the pool. Off the pool area here, you can go inside and get drinks and snacks. Quarter subs is in there. There's cheeseburgers, there's sandwiches, there's a cotton candy machine, there's an arcade. Lots to do here. I thought about eating here just to show you what it's like, but I have gastroparesis, which means paralyzed stomach, and I literally just cannot put any food in right now. It's just not working for me today. You know, some days are just like that. I would love to do, one of y'all suggested a battle of the buffets. How amazing would that video be? But I'll have to bring a friend because a buffet is wasted on me. But that's a really cool idea. I really like how you all think. There's that cotton candy machine that my daughter wanted to try, and they also have a Just Baked where you can get food from out of here. And I think this is Japanese or Chinese food here. I consent. What am I consenting to? Oh, everything's sold out. Sold out. No food for you. Womp womp. Get better luck with the Just Bake. Oh yeah. 4-cheese pizza, mac and cheese, sandwich biscuit, pizza and pasta, and it's only open on the weekends at night. Very limited hours on this place. And there's the Port of Subs, and I ate here last time I was out here, and it was really good and very good price too. To my friends, hi guys. Nice Space Invaders arcade in here. Then they have another gift store that has some like souvenirs in it. Mostly it's like drinks, cigarettes, snacks, that kind of thing. They have just a little bit of, you know, the t-shirts and some of the souvenirs. Adult beverages, and lots of them. Here is the walkway up to the parking garage, or you can do the surface level parking. This will also lead you to the elevators for the promenade tower. I think I'm always gonna stay in the promenade tower because it sounds cool. The promenade tower. That's where I will be. They got Neon Bingo, hello. And he's hilarious. I think he's going to Harrah's though. This is a Caesars property, so it's associated with Harrah's down the street, and then also Caesars in Las Vegas. So you get the same like rewards if you have like a player's card for that. Yeah, a lot of the entertainment is at Harrah's. They do have a shuttle bus that will take you over to Harrah's from here, since they're sister properties. Okay, y'all, we have ice cream in a vending machine here. Is this not like in Snickers ice cream bars? Okay. Yeah, this is my place. This place was made for me. We belong together. You and me. Oh, they even have a Twix candy ice cream bar. Get out of here. No, you know what that is? It's frozen candy bars. Are you serious right now? I'm never leaving. I'm never leaving. They do have a burger bar as well, but it's only open very limited hours, Monday through Wednesday, 4 p.m. till. I literally have never seen this open in all the times that I have been here. Then their main sit-down restaurant here is Carnegie's Café, and it looks and smells delicious in there. Open to the casino floor here. Look at that goodness. Chef Tiffany, you know what you're doing. A lot of people do these ATVs in Bullhead City, which is the city right next to Laughlin. That's a big thing to do out here. They also have this Brew Brothers Tap House. Really good. Lots of gaming here, and if you see, like, it's open air. It's just really nice in here. It's not smoky or gross or anything. It feels fantastic. I don't think they have Wonder Woman though. Lots of bingo to be had here as well. I want to gamble, but I want a Wonder Woman. And there's a shuttle that will take you to Harrah's. And that will do it for today's video. Tropicana in Laughlin, Nevada. Certainly not Las Vegas. I literally have spent so much time in Las Vegas over the last couple weeks that this feels really good to me right now to have this peace of quiet. But don't let this deceive you. This place can get hopping. If you come on a weekend, literally it's a good time. You will enjoy your stay here at Tropicana Laughlin. Thank you all so much for watching, and until we meet again, my friends, bye. And it's been fun. Let's do Tropicana in Laughlin, Nevada again. Bye. I'm having a rough hair day. That's okay. No one will ever see this video. Absolutely no one but you.